I have taken the knobs off. I am not taking anything out of the buffet. I'm leaving it. I'm gonna just do my trimming, slightly push it up and go from there. And once again, we are using this Glidden Fundamentals Grab and Go Black. And I actually picked that up from Walmart. We're going to paint my trim. And like I say, you guys, if you caught the other video, I'm doing this makeover for my kitchen before I come in and do my Christmas. We have tree for the kitchen. All of these are my trees for the kitchen, plus that as well. So that is a box with trees. Those are trees. And those are trees. So we're going to bring all of that in, but once we do the makeover, and you see we're going black on this hutch. So the new colors is, I'm gonna still do white. I'm gonna come back and do another coat of light coat, and I'm gonna probably just do like a touch up with my white. I have stuff everywhere, so you know, don't come for your girl, don't come for your girl. We live here. I live in my space, but I'm gonna make this black, and this is going black. This is gonna be a long filled weekend. It is Friday night, 7:11 p.m. We're gonna paint this. All I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna paint this, you guys. I'm going to create another accent wall here, and when we come back, we're shifting. I am going to start here on the short side first, then come over. And I did, just for tip when painting, I did wet my paintbrush, and I'll tell you, once I use that black, if I use black on a paintbrush, I won't never use any other color because the black will still tint your bristles. You guys, and I'm just doing my first initial, what I call my rough coat. I cut my edges and I always do a rough coat, so I'm gonna do the rough coat, cut the edges, and because it's white going black, typically with the darker paint, once you put that on, let it dry for about 35-45 minutes. And this is low velocity paint, so it has a very light smell. Right now I can't smell it at all, so the odor is very low. Plus, once I come back, you will see where you need to hit, but I'm going to still do 2 coats. But with that being said, I'm going to reposition you, and I'm going to let you start this process and reposition the camera, and we're going to commence to painting. this is where we are thus far. I am going to catch this down here while this is drying, and up close, and it's still wet. You can see the white, the breakthrough of the white. And I'm gonna tell you, in the space, just seeing it sitting with what the vision that's already in my brain, you guys, this is going to come together beautiful. But I told you I had to get this done before we set up Christmas decor. And you're asking, I needed this black before we did Christmas. Well, look at that, you guys. When I tell you gorgeous, that is extremely gorgeous. And once it is dry, while it's in the process, I am going to change out this wall. So I will make sure I include that inside of this video as well. So once I paint this, I'm going to go ahead and take all of this down and bring in my one big longer mirror that goes here, so we can get prepared for our Christmas 2024 in the kitchen. So with that being said, we're going to repaint this, change out the mirror, or I may change the mirror first. We have finished painting the buffet, and I'm telling you, the camera does not do this black any justice, but it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I don't know why my camera looked grainy. I'm going to fix that. I'm going to sand that down and fix that and that. But when I tell y'all guys, this is gorgeous. So when I'm going to show you, I've started to turn off my lights. I'm going to go to bed. But look at here, you guys. Just look at what that vase looks like on that buffet. When I tell you, I am super duper happy with how it turned out. I am extremely happy with how it turned out. Now, like I say, I'm going to call it a night. It is 11 o'clock p.m. And get my mirror. I'm going to pull it out, hang my mirror, change my curtains, and then here is the tree for the kitchen, you guys. I told you I was going back with the green. Oh, my ceiling fan keeps hitting. I gotta move it. But we have 5 of these going in the kitchen, along with this one here as well. And I'm gonna probably pull this one out, you guys, and let you see, because this is actually one that did come from Walmart, and that is a purchase from Monday. It is that T4, was $33 for the 2 3.5 foot trees. I am going to pull out all of the trees for the kitchen and fluff them, and I'm not going to let you see me do any of those tree fluffing on cameras. We fluff trees every year together. I'm not going to do that this year, as you can see, because we did unfluff these 2 on camera, and that's it. That's all you're going to see unfluffing. We also have that one there, and you guys, I do have the other 3 trees like this that goes in here, but I can't pull everything out because right now I'm overloaded. I'm going to get the kitchen done, and after my kitchen, we'll come back in here in the living room, because I pulled my stripping off around the mirrors, and I don't like how it looks, but it gives it a frosted look but you can see where that adhesive was on it, and I started scraping some off right in that spot there, which I probably should have left it because it did blend more, but I'm gonna put something on it or either just literally scrape it all off. And your girl is tired. So with that being said, and you guys, you see we have 2 trees here. We have 2 trees in this box here. We have this tree and all of these trees here and that tree. All of that is for the kitchen. And I'm going to do a review on some lights once I do this, and I'm going to include it in as well. Like I say, you guys, we do have a lot of stuff going on here at the villa. And look at that. And I've started to shut off the lights. But you guys, that is a statement piece in itself. I had to hang the mirror, and it took me about an hour. Because this mirror is extremely heavy, and I did it without assistance. I'm going to clean it. We're going to hang this other mirror. Then we're going to finish our makeover here in the kitchen so we can set up for Christmas 2024. And I did finish fluffing the 4 trees, you guys. They'll be going in the kitchen, but I'm going to see if I can put that 5th one right here on this end in this space here. But with that being said, we're going to clean this mirror, and we are going to finish setting up for this Christmas. You guys, your girl is still tired. It has been an extremely long week. And I am using Sprayway. If I'm gonna go with this or this, I want you to drop me a comment. Number 1, curtain 1, curtain 2. But I want you to rate it. But I'm gonna put both of them up. I'm gonna put both of them up to let you see what they look like. And once again, down in those comments, rate curtain 1 or curtain 2. Solid gold, option 1. Geometric pattern, option 2. Video.